what is the maximum amount you can draw from Social Security? People ask me, I've been working 30, 40, 50 years, and I'm getting ready to retire in a year or two. And what's the max? Because I got a feeling I'm going to get the max, right? To get the maximum amount, you have to have been taxed on the maximum amount of income for 35 years. So this year, you have to have made at least $142,000. Last year was $139,000. The year before it was $137,000. So if you were hitting that max, paying your FICA all those years, and you do not draw Social Security early, you wait till your full retirement age. If you follow me, hopefully you know what your full retirement age is. If you're new around here, Google it, put your birthday, January 7th, 1956, and it will tell you what your full retirement age is, because that is a sliding scale that's moving up gradually to 67. So it's not 65 anymore, it's different. Go figure out what yours is. If you draw it at your full retirement age, you're not going to max out your Social Security. You have to wait till 70, which I do not recommend, which most financial planners in the country would not recommend. That still being said, if you do wait till 70, that is how you max it out. And that person this year that maxed it out, they are getting, how much do you think? $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month? People generally think it's like that. Nope, it is less than $4,000 a month. It's about $3,800 for that weird person, rare unicorn, that actually maxed it out. Because the smart people that are making a lot of money aren't going to wait till 70. You see what I'm saying? So the main thing is you guys need to know what to expect in retirement. How much money are you likely to get, even though it's just an estimate right now? Go into socialsecurity.gov, set up your free account, and get some kind of estimate of what you can expect to get in retirement. Will it change? Yes. Is that just an estimate? Yes. It's based on what you're making right now and expecting you to continue to make that same amount until your full retirement age, which a lot of you don't. You're going to retire early, or you're going to start working part-time or whatever. So take it with a grain of salt when you look at that estimate. It's based on you working just as hard as you are right now, all the way up to your full retirement age.